Dear students, today let's study our new chapter Exponents and Powers. At the end of this module, you will be able to understand about exponents. Chapter 12 Exponents and Powers. Do you know what is exponents? Okay, let's discuss what are exponents and powers. Very large numbers are difficult to read, understand, compare, and operate upon. To make all these easier, we use exponents, converting many of the large numbers in a shorter form. One example, can you read this number? A very large number, 10 raised to 4. Consider this 10 raised to 4. This read as 10 raised to 4. That means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 10 raised to 4 means this number 10 multiplied 4 times. The number 10 raised to 4 is read as 10 raised to 4 or fourth power of 10. Fourth power of 10 or 10 raised to 4. This very large number is converted into this type of number that is called exponents. Then we can read it very easily. 10 is called the base and 4 is the exponent. This 10 raised to 4, this 10 is called the base and 4 is the exponent. 10 raised to 4 can be written as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 equal to 10,000. 10 raised to 4. Here you can see the power is, that is the exponent is 4. Here after 1, 4 0 and the power is 4. 10 raised to 4 is the exponential form of 10,000. We know 10 raised to 4. This read as 10 raised to 4. This is the exponential form of 10,000. First, let's discuss one question. Find the value of 2 raised to 5. Here the exponent, the power is 5. So we multiply 2 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 2's are there. So you remember the answer is not 10 by mistaken. Sometimes we say the answer 2 5 times. Multiply 2 5 times, that is 10. But it is not 10. Listen, 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2, 32 is the answer. So, multiply 2 5 times. Next, 9 cube. 9 cube. This read as 9 raised to 3 or 9 cube. This means multiplies 9 3 times. Power is 3, so 3 times we multiply. 9 into 9, 81. 81 into 9 is 729. Next, express the following in exponential form. Here we have given 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. We don't write the answer, but you write the exponential form. That is 6 raised to 4. Multiply 6 4 times. So we can write it as 6 raised to 4. Here 2 multiply 2 2 times. Multiply a 2 times. That is 2 square into a square. Next, a. Multiply a 3 times, c 4 times, d 1 time. So we can write a raised to 3. This read as also a cube into c raised to 4 into d. Okay. Next question. Express the following in exponential form. This is a very important question. We have given one number, big number, 512. We cannot directly write the exponential form. So, we use the prime factorization method. This method we already studied. This method is used for finding LCM, HCF, etc. So, first we find the prime factorization of these numbers. Here, let's discuss 512. In this, 2 is divisible. So, write 2 here. In 5, 1 by 1, we have to discuss. In 5, how many 2? 2 times. 2 into 2, 4. Here 5, balance 1. Then put 1 here, so the number becomes 11. In 11, how many 2? 5 times. 2 into 5, 10. then remaining one number 1 put 1 here 12, the number becomes 12. In 12 how many 2? 6. Then in 256 again dividing by 2, in 256 to 128 times, then in 128 to 64 times, in 64 to 32 times, just like we will get last 1 as the answer. So how many 2 here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we can write 2 raised to 9. This is the method of exponential notation. Exponential notation means exponential form. Next question, 729. This number is not divisible by 2 because the last digit is 9. So we take 3. In 7 how many 3? 2 times. 3 into 2 6. Remaining one number 12. In 12 how many 3? 4 times. In 9 how many 3? 3 times. Next 243. In 24 how many 3? 8. 3 into 8 24. Then 3. Remaining number 3. In 3 how many 3? 1. 81. In 81 how many 3? 27. In 27 how many 3? 9. In 9 3 times 3. In 3 1 time. So how many 3 here? 6 3. So we can write 3 raised to 6. And C question 3600. In this we can very simply we can find the prime factorization of 3600. Only take 36. In 36 how many 2? 18. Then remaining 20. In 18 how many 2? 9. Then remaining 20. Then 900. In 900 how many 2? 450. In 450 how many 2? 225. In 225 2 is not divisible. So we take 3. In 22 how many 3? 7 times. Then 7 into 3 21. Here 22. Remaining number 1. Then 15. In 15 how many 3? 5. Then in 75 25 times 3. In 25 3 is not divisible, so we take 5. 5 into 5 25. Then remaining 5 1. So how many 2 here? 4 times 2. Then 2 times 3 2 times 5. So we can write like this, 2 raised to 4 into 3 square into 5 square. Next, identify greater number wherever possible in each of the following. 4 cube or 3 raised to 4. We don't know which is greater. So we find the answer of each one. 4 cube. 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. Then we find the answer of 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 is multiply 3 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Answer is 81. Out of 64 and 81, which is greater? 81 is greater. So 3 raised to 4 is greater. By this method, we can find which is greater. B question. 100 square or 2 raised to 100. 100 square is 100 into 100. That is 10,000. Next, 2 raised to 100. Is it possible to find 2 raised to 100? That means multiply 200 times. It is not possible, but it is a very large number. So, which is greater? 2 raised to 100 is greater. Next question, 5 cube or 3 raised to 5. 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. Answer is 125. Then 3 raised to 5. Multiply 3 5 times. Then we will get 243. Out of these two numbers, 243 is greater. That is 3 raised to 5 is greater. Next question, simplify. 2 into 10 cube. We find the answer of these two numbers. 2 into 10 cube is 10 into 10 into 10. 2 into 10 into 10 into 10 means 1000. 2 into 1000, that is 2000. Next, B question. Minus 3 into minus 2 cube. So minus 3 into minus 2 3 times. First we multiply the numbers only. Then then count how many negatives are there. First multiply numbers. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 into 2, 24. Then how many negatives? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is an even number, so answer should be positive. So answer is 24. Next, 2 raised to 4 into 3 square. 2 4 times and 3 2 times. Answer is 16 into 9. That means this 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 16. Then 3 into 3 is 9. 16 into 9 is 144. Next question. 3 into 4 raised to 4. 3 into 4 4 times. Then here 3 into 16 into 16, that is 3 here, 4 into 4 16, next 4 into 4 16. 16 into 16 is 256, that is 3 into 256. Answer is 768. Next, minus 2 cube into minus 10 square. Minus 2 3 times, minus 10 2 times, like this. First we multiply the numbers only. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 10 80, 80 into 10 800. Then count negatives. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is a negative odd number, so answer should be negative. So this is the method of simplification of exponential numbers. Next, our last question. Compare the following. 2.7 into 10 raised to 12, 1.5 into 10 raised to 8. Out of these two, which is greater? For finding the greater number, an easy method is, here consider the power. 10 raised to 12. 12 is the power. That is, after 1, 12 zeros. Here 10 raised to 8. After 1, 8 zeros. Out of this, which is greater? 10 raised to 12 is greater. Therefore, 2.7 into 10 raised to 12 is greater number. Next B question. 4 into 10 raised to 14, 3 into 10 raised to 17. Here, which is the greater exponents, 10 raised to 14 or 10 raised to 17? 10 raised to 17 is greater. So, 3 into 10 raised to 17 is greater number. So, dear students, watch the video again and again. Then only you can understand it well. Okay, bye.